Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about the rotary kiln. In this tutorial, we will cover the first topic, what is a rotary kiln? The second topic, why is a rotary kiln inclined? The third topic is the main reason for rotary kiln inclination. So, let's get started. Next, we will learn and understand what is a rotary kiln. A cement plant rotary kiln is the heart of the cement manufacturing process. It is where raw materials are converted into clinker, the main component of cement. A rotary kiln is a long, cylindrical furnace installed at a slight slope and used in cement plants to transform raw meal into clinker. It rotates slowly and is heated by an internal burner that reaches temperatures of about 1400 to 1450 degrees Celsius. As the kiln turns, the material gradually travels from the feed end, cold end, to the discharge end, or hot end, where chemical reactions take place to form clinker. The rotary kiln rotates continuously at a slow speed, 0.5 to 5 revolutions per minute. Raw meal enters the kiln from the inlet side through the preheater system. At the discharge end, a burner generates a high temperature flame. Next, we will learn and understand the why is a rotary kiln inclined. A rotary kiln is a long, cylindrical furnace installed at a slight slope, 3 to 4 degrees from horizontal, and used in cement plants to transform raw meal into clinker. This inclination helps the raw material move slowly from the inlet to the outlet by gravity while the kiln rotates. This inclination helps control material retention time, improves heat transfer, ensures proper clinker formation, and maintains stable kiln operation. Next, we will learn and understand main reasons for rotary kiln inclination. The first main reason, material movement by gravity. The second main reason, proper residence time. The third main reason, stable clinker formation. The fourth main reason, prevent material backflow. Next, we will learn and understand the main reasons for rotary kiln inclination. The first main reasons is, material movement by gravity. The main purpose of the inclination is to move the raw material gradually from the kiln inlet, or feed end, to the kiln outlet, or discharge end. Due to the slope, the material slowly travels toward the burning zone and clinker outlet. Without inclination, material will not move properly, and the material would stay inside the kiln. Clinker formation will be poor. Next, we will learn and understand the main reasons for rotary kiln inclination. The second main reasons is, proper residence time. Inclination controls how long the material stays inside the kiln. Proper residence time ensures good clinker quality. This helps to allows proper drying. Next, proper calcination. Next, proper burning. Next, proper clinkering reactions. Next, the typical residence time. Around 20 to 40 minutes in modern cement kilns. Next, we will learn and understand the main reasons for rotary kiln inclination. The third main reasons is, stable clinker formation. The inclined design helps to maintain uniform material bed depth. Next, maintain stable flame interaction. Next, maintain proper heat transfer. This inclination improves clinker quality. Next, it improves kiln efficiency. Next, it improves kiln stability. Next, we will learn and understand the main reasons for rotary kiln inclination. The fourth main reasons is, prevent material backflow. The inclined design helps to maintain the slope ensures continuous forward movement of material and inclination prevents material accumulation. Helps to prevent reverse movement of clinker. Next short summary and conclusion of this tutorial. In this video, we learned what a rotary kiln is, and why is a rotary kiln inclined, and the main reason for rotary kiln inclination. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your team, And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more industrial and cement plant technical videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.